All right, so today we're going over the AIPER Scuba SE. This is a cordless vacuum. Uses for a few weeks. You can see I got a bunch of scratches on it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I kind of wanted to go over it very quickly with you guys. So this is cordless, like I said, it has a battery. Basically, you plug this into a wall outlet, like so. Plug it in, let it charge. Takes about, I don't know, I really haven't timed it, maybe an hour to charge. So that's how you get the power into it. All right, it's got some brushes on the bottom here. So this brushes the bottom of your pool. You can see this this is getting like hair and stuff off the bottom of my pool. All right. And what happens is all the dirt actually gets sucked in through these two doors here, okay? These doors actually close as well, so that when you pull this out of the pool, all the crud doesn't fall out that it's collected. This is how you turn it on. So it's just a single button touch. So let's do that. We'll turn it on and you just throw it in the pool. Now it's weighted. It's got a lot of weight on the bottom. So you can just like throw this in the pool and it will detect the water, turn on and start driving. It'll also slowly sink to the bottom of the pool. Probably don't need to throw it in. Probably could just like place it in the pool, be better. But what you see there is the back door. It's got a door on the front and a door on the back. Right now, the back door is open and it's pushing water and propelling it forward. It'll run into the wall. Then eventually the front door will open and then it'll go backwards. So now this will drive all the way across the pool. I would say random pattern for about 90 minutes and basically clean the bottom of the pool. All right. It doesn't do the walls. So that's something to consider. It just does the bottom. But for the price point of only 100 bucks, 125 bucks-ish, usually get on sale for 100 bucks. This is a great little tool to have in your pool arsenal. So when it's done, it actually drives to the wall and uses gas to pull it out. You can see none of the crud is pouring out, okay? Now, the reason why I point that out is I have seen a few comments online saying, oh, all the stuff just falls out the bottom. I don't think that's true. I think maybe their door is stuck open. So when they pull it out, it actually dumps out. What I want to show you is the internals of this thing. To clean, it's actually very easy. Just got these two levers, boom, boom. All right, and you pull this. This is basically the guts of it. This is the brains of it, I guess would be the better word. This has the motor. This is where you plug it in. Okay, and this is where you turn it on and turn it off. So this is like the brains of the whole thing. So it has a fine mesh filter. Okay, this is what filters the water, so you can see all the stuff it collected. And if we look here, this is pretty gross, but this is all the stuff it collected at the bottom. So let me bring you in closer. I really don't want to touch this stuff, but I guess I will. Oh, you've got a hair tie and like sand, it looks like. You know, depending on the day, depending on how dirty it is, this thing can actually has a very large capacity. All right, so to clean it, couldn't be simpler. Just run the hose through it. So that's how you clean it. I mean, I'll be completely honest, I don't usually clean it with a hose. I usually take it out and I just dump the stuff into the grass. Rarely do I clean it. Probably actually this is the only second time I've used the hose. But put it back together, super simple. You put this piece of mesh here, and you put this here, and you close it, and it's ready to go. Again, hit the button, and you put it in the pool. Always land on its wheels, as far as I found. Right now, it seems to be doing a trick, and there you go. Now it's gonna drive around for about an hour and a half in the bottom of my pool, and it's gonna clean it. I believe this is probably one of the most economical pool vacuums you can get. AIPER is a great name, okay? So it's not like you're getting some no-name brand pool vacuum, and it works very well. So if you want to pick one of these up for yourself, I'll put a link down below. You can pick it up on Amazon, have it shipped right to your house. Super simple. And I just love it. No wires, you know. And the other thing too, really kind of a side benefit that you don't think of is all that crud that's in the bottom of your pool isn't ending up in your filter. Okay, so this will keep you from having to backwash. You know, it'll add time between backwashes because that stuff's not all getting sucked up through into your filter. You're picking it all up with a vacuum. I'm Mike. Please hit that subscribe button. Maybe check out www.familydiytv.com. I have a lot of coupon codes on there and different products. And I'm AIPER Robotic Pool Vacuum out.